Do you need a solution for tracking all the user changes made inside your AllMax software? Audit Trail is a great feature that can be added to Intero, Operator, Tenants, and Nexus to track all the data changes that are made inside your software. You can locate Audit Trail from the main application ribbon of your program under the Tools tab. Once enabled, Audit Trail will allow you to filter and view your data changes. You can select your timeline from the calendar slide bar at the top and find the information you need. Sort by user or action type. You can even search for modified values by data parameter or data value. With a comprehensive way to track all the modifications in your database, you can be certain that data is being entered and managed correctly by all your users. For more information on adding Audit Trail as a feature in your software, please reach out to us at AllMax Software, and be sure to check out our latest software releases and events on our social media.